Early childhood educators and teachers consider a range of skills when deciding if a child is ready to start school. To start school, a child needs self-help skills. Can they use the toilet independently? Are they able to wash their hands and get dressed? We consider social and emotional development. Are they able to separate from their parent or carer? Are they able to take turns? Are they able to tell someone their full name? Can they recognise people's feelings? Those sorts of things. In terms of language, we're looking to see if a child can express their needs and wants so that most people can understand what they need. Can they speak in sentences of up to 5 or 6 words? Can they be understood by most people? Are they able to follow 2-step directions? Do they understand words like positional words, under, next to, those sorts of things? In terms of math skills, we're looking for children who can count from 1 to 10. They should know their shapes and colours. For fine motor, can a child hold a pencil? Can they use scissors? Are they able to trace? Do they have good hand control? In terms of gross motor, can they skip and jump? Do they have good balance skills? Are they aware of where their body is so that they're not interfering with other children? Can they catch a ball? These are all the sorts of things we're looking at when making that important decision of whether a child's ready for school. Let's have a closer look at the sorts of things we're looking for in literacy skills to decide whether a child might be ready for formal school learning. So all children are different and they'll all have strengths and weaknesses. However, some basic skills are important. So before a child starts school, we want them to be familiar with books. Do they enjoy listening to stories? Do they know how to hold a book the right way up? Do they know where the words are and how to read a book from left to right? Do they recognise basic environmental print such as the McDonald's logo? Can they recognise their own name? Children who are ready for school might be interested in learning to write their name, or they might be using a pencil to draw letters and symbols as though they're pretending to write. Can they draw a picture to express an idea? The sorts of phonological awareness skills we might see in children who are ready to start school include an interest in the alphabet. They might be able to recite all or part of the alphabet. They should be identifying some letters, and they might know some of the letters in their own name and perhaps some of the sounds those letters make. Be able to tell whether 2 words rhyme and perhaps produce a 3rd rhyming word. They show an interest in words and sounds. And they're beginning to have some awareness of the beginning sounds in a word. They're the sorts of skills we're looking at for children before they start school.